Well, let's get this set up because it's all over the place right now. Bloody gorilla sticks, Joby gorilla sticks. I just don't know why I bothered even buying you Casey Neistat. I just brought into the hype of Casey Neistat. That's what happened. They're not very good. I need something different. This little tiny tripod just doesn't do it for me. I've got another one that's not that good. I need a new tripod. Anyway, let's talk. So, one thing, I'm gonna be changing the name of this channel. I no longer want this channel to be called Beardster. Do you like my photo, my painting? It's the Draper painting, it's Icarus. Just after he's smashed on the ground, it's got some water nymphs just attending to him. Actually, let me just show you first. I mean, this is one of my all-time favorite pieces of artwork. Just absolutely love it. I mean, it just does it for me. The story of Icarus is one of my favorites, but we are getting massively sidetracked. I just kind of realized that I don't normally record or show much of my surroundings, and that's because they're normally such a fucking... I shouldn't swear. That's because they're normally such a mess, and it just takes ages to tidy up, so I kind of just normally record whilst it's still really messy, but I kind of losing the trail here. So I'm changing the channel to my name because I kind of realized that I used to always do like an intro saying like, hey Beardsters, what up? What up? Hey Beardsters, what's up? It's Daniel here from Beardster. That's kind of how I used to do it when I was making products. But now I'm not making any products, any beard care products, any grooming products. And I kind of just say, hey, Beardsters, or hey, and I never introduce myself. And I kind of, since I've been doing these videos about beard care initially, which is the main focus of this channel, I started to feel like it's a bit of a limitation. What happens if in 1 year I want to start making videos that aren't just about my beard? I'm probably always going to have a beard. I love having one. It's pretty cool. Guys, I was just saying in the video that I just recorded how much I hate the Joby Gorilla Pod, and that is exactly why. Because that tumble was because it just completely crumpled in on me. It somehow loosened up and decided to fall. It's alright though, don't worry Joby. It's not like I have one of those £3,000 cameras. There's only about £600, maybe £700 worth of gear right here. I also have my cup of tea next to it. So if you fail on that, I wouldn't have a camera right now. But yeah, let's go back to it. So I started to feel like I'd be limited in terms of what I could create, because realistically, after this year, like I'm gonna have covered pretty much every beard topic I can cover on my own. I've got a ton of products sat right here. Like, just wait a second. Like, can you see this box? It's full of products, and I still haven't got round to recording reviews for them. And it's just because I have a crazy hectic schedule, and I'm about to record a bunch of reviews, and I'm also going to send some of these products to people in the Facebook group Beardster, so go over there because I'll be giving away tons of this stuff because I just don't need it. It's called a brand, send it to me, and people I know send stuff to me so they get a bit of exposure and I get to try a few bits out. Some stuff I love, I just can't use it all and it's going to go to waste, so I'm going to give it all away pretty much. So let's get back. So once I've done the year, I've covered almost every beard topic I can cover on my own. I don't want to just do review videos. I don't find them as interesting to create. And on top of that, what I'm actually doing right now is I'm actually looking for a new house. Like, we live in a tiny 2-bed house. This is the only room downstairs apart from the kitchen and the hallway. Hence why it's becoming very difficult to record, because I have a little toddler that runs around like a million miles an hour. We just don't have space, so we're actually going to upgrade to a much bigger house, and in that house a condition of us moving is that I get a studio room, I get my own office room so I can do the day job, maybe working from home, or I can start doing more of the freelance consultancy work that I want to do from home. And then I can actually turn it into a studio. So I have this camera permanently set up, the lighting all permanently set up, I have it soundproof, I have a little area where I can do a podcast if I need to or want to, or it's something I want to do. But I don't want this all just to be about beard care on this channel. Like, I don't want it to be the sole focus. I want it to be like maybe 50%, 60, maybe higher, maybe 80%. You know, like the Pareto rule, you do the 80-20. So 80% beard stuff for now. 20% I just want to experiment with things, see what happens. And I think one of the first different videos that I'll be doing is hopefully when I move house, and we're going to build a studio and I'm going to record it. It might be quite a few episodes because I'll probably run out of money, won't have enough money to pay for the studio stuff. Actually, I can buy it through my business, even better, because that's what it's actually used for. And we can start just seeing how it evolves. I've actually started also spending a lot of time on LinkedIn, doing a lot of LinkedIn content. I need a space for my business to start doing video content over there. So there's a load of stuff going on in the background. It's probably why I haven't been recording, why you probably haven't seen a more recent beard of mine, probably in the last 6 weeks. So I'm gonna change the name to my name. It might already be changed, or it'll be changed shortly after this video drops. Hopefully you guys will still stick around. It's obviously still gonna be beard focused. It's just that in the future, I will start shifting into other little bits of content, seeing what works for me, because let's be honest, I do this as a bit of a hobby, just to have a bit of a creative outlook. Yeah, that's it, guys. Just, you know, leave me stuff in the comments. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see, hear about me. I'm not going to do family stuff, family vlogs, like nothing like that. Just let me know what you're interested in, and I'll see if we've got any shared interests, and then maybe we can start doing some stuff about that. Anyway, see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for, you know, letting me ramble a little bit here. I'll see you very soon. Goodbye. Oh, that's good tea. I need to get a Mo guard.